Hi guys, this is Setu signing in from the I Love Music Academy. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a stutter effect using the Gate plugin in Ableton Live. On the first channel, I have a vocal a cappella. Let's listen to what it sounds like by itself.
Right in my view. Tell me why you never really cared about me. I'm tired.
Now, in order to create a stutter effect on these vocals, we need to set up a MIDI track, drop an operator or any synthesizer of your choice on it. And as you can see, I've put in some MIDI information on this channel. The basic principle of this technique is based around the idea of using the audio signal from second channel as the sidechain input signal onto the Gate plugin, which we are about to add on the first channel. As you can see, this is the Gate plugin. It's receiving audio as the sidechain input signal from the operator track, which means anytime these notes are being played is the only time we'd be able to listen to the audio of the vocal a cappella track. Let's listen to what the track sounds like. Listen to this track with a little kick arrangement that I have going on in this session. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, peace.